How to get online insurance in US. Compare auto increase rates, official progressive website, health insurance for students, low cost monthly payment, medical cost sharing freedom from insurance, general insurance rate. 5 out of 4 new customers recommend progressive switch and start saving today. Say when average of 12% when building a home and auto policy with the progressive. If roadside assist, name your price for price tool. 80 years of service, 24 by 7 service mobile app. How you get insurance online? How I buy life insurance policy online? How to get online insurance in US? Medical cost sharing freedom from insurance. General insurance rate same in coverage, lower price. E-health get at increased plan and and quotes. Buying car, increasing on insurance online is a great option. If you went to a shop on your or schedule and save time and money. The benefit of buying online cars, cars in insurance is that you can and quickly get quotes directly from um directly from insurance with it calling companies in individual and repeatable, pro, providing the same information over the phone. How to buy car insurance online instantly in 2021. After you have found your best coin, it you need apply the life insurance policy. This process can make several weeks. This process of applying for life insurance can involve even more or even more or extremely personal questions, paperwork and medical exams. Buy car, increasing online tips and steps for getting instant or auto insurance. mm, Buying a car or increase is a great. How to buy a car increase insurance online in 2020. US news. How to buy a, insurance. Get a free quote online. In buying car, increasing online in things to know. How to buy car insurance online in 2021. US news. Finding health insurance. USA government by life increasing online in insurance online uh, parental financial policy compare and buy in online. In how to buy car insurance policy gain health increase plan 2021 health plan for health or general library. How to get online insurance health insurance by group health insurance online. Small business health insurance online. Create life insurance. How to get online insurance in US. How to get online insurance in US in United States. It's online insurance United States and United States, how to get online insurance in United States.